Welcome to Qikink. We make your brand shine with unique branding option that leave a lasting impression. In this video, we will show you how to place an order for a branding kit. Open your Qikink dashboard, click order, select branding kit, then click place a new order. From the drop-down list, choose your branding option. For neck label, select neck label and upload your design as a PDF file. Enter any remarks, it's optional. Then click place order. Now your order is placed. Preview your neck label design. Ensure the design is in full grey or full black and full white. The maximum printable area is 3 by 3 inches. So avoid thin lines in your design. We will automatically print black label for light garments and white label for dark garments. Pay once for your neck label orders. We will refill them for free for life. But if you change your design, you will need to place a new order. Order status will update to order placed, order processing and in stock. Once in stock, we will print your labels directly on your garments. Click place new order. Select hang tag from the drop-down list. Upload a design file with 2 sides. Enter any remarks and click place order. Your hang tag order is placed. Preview your hang tag design. The size is 2 by 3.5 inches and the quantity is 500. Once in stock, we will attach your hang tags to your products. To avoid missing your brandings, place a new order if stock is low or out. Then for thank you cards, again click place new order. Select thank you card from the drop-down list. Upload your design file. Enter the remarks and click place order. Your thank you card order is placed. Preview that. The size is 6 by 4 inches. You can print on both sides and it is digital printed. Then we'll check on for thank you sticker cards. Click place new order. Select thank you sticker card from the drop down list and upload your design file. Click place new order. Your order is placed. Preview it. Provide the die cut option for the sticker card. For thank you card and thank you sticker card, along with your order, we will send your thank you card and thank you sticker cards. To avoid missing your branding, place a new order if stock is low or out for thank you card and thank you sticker cards. The quantity for thank you card and sticker card is 500. Keep your branding clear and bold with your brand. Thank you.